Okay, Wednesday, November 26th, 5 p.m. Welcome, everybody. Hope you are having a great day. We don't seem to be seeing the chart right now. Let me just try to adjust this. Just give me a second. Wow, what's happening? Aha, bingo. So we are going to take a look at Tesla stock, what it did today. It did pretty good. We are going to take a look at the stock indices. How did the market do? Gold, silver, Bitcoin, Ethereum, the usual. Let me make sure that the live is working properly. Just a second. Yeah, I think it's working fine. So let's do this before Thanksgiving. So happy Thanksgiving to all my American friends. So Tesla closed at $426.58, up $7.18, 1.71% higher. So in post-market, we are down by 6 cents. Let's take a look at what this means on the chart. So are we still into our bullish channel? The answer is yes. So bullish channel is still good, so we are still bullish. Tesla should be going higher, should be continuing going higher. We had a little bit of a fluke right here. Couple of days, even one day. I would call it even one day because it's just this red candle right here that made us close outside. But then we recovered last Friday, boom, boom, boom. So we have recovered 410.25 right here, the congestion zone within the bullish channel. Recovered that when was that? Monday. Recovered that Monday. We have been continuing, and now this is why these lines work. The stock is stopping at all of these lines. 426.47, 426.47 right here. This is where we stop, and look at this. This is a beautiful candle, as somebody mentioned on Discord. We have a long wick at the bottom. Long wicks at the bottom and no wicks at the top means that we try to go lower and we're pushed back up. So if we had some wicks at the top also, then it would have meant that, it would have been pretty much even Steven. But no, this is not even. This is, we tried to go lower, we were pushed back up. And we finished. We closed at 426.58. The high is 426.94. So we finished pretty much at the high. We closed pretty much at the high, and our resistance is at 426.47. We closed at 426.58. So technically it's a break. Really, 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 really small break. Really small break. So yeah. This is where we are. So things are doing good. Things are going good in terms of indicators. We don't have bullishness yet in terms of the indicators. Stochastic is below 60, blah blah blah. So we still don't have a lot of momentum. Momentum. If we look at stochastic, we like to have stochastic above 60. So this is where we get momentum. So we have stochastic at 47, almost 48. So we have a significant amount of momentum, but we like to have it above 60. So we are stopping right on resistance. This is what these resistance should do. They should make the stock cave in. Once we break them, this is a good signal that we should continue. So this is a buy signal that we can get in. Right now, we should cave into this one at 426.47. So it could cave in. Just know that. On the 1 hour chart, so this was basically what happened this week. We got the buy signal right here, and we are still in the money. So we stopped at 420.46. We stopped a little bit of a while, and then now we are breaking that one, and we are where we are, 426.47. We have stochastic over 60. Stochastic is at 98 on the 1 hour chart. So momentum is there on the 1 hour chart. Momentum is there. Technical indicators are there. Everything's good. So Let's take a look at the rest of the market. So what's happening with the VIX? Is the VIX continuing down? Are the stock indices going higher? Gold, silver, Bitcoin, Ethereum. Let's take a look at all of that. So look at this beauty right here. VIX 1718 down to 1.37. We are officially out of our bull trend for the VIX. So this is a milestone in itself. We were trending up. Now we broke that trend. We are no longer trending up. So we love this. We love this absolutely. Dow Jones. Yesterday we had the break above 47,039 right here. Boom. And now we are continuing. S&P broke downward resistance. Now continuing. Now we stopped where? We stopped right smack here. We could reverse. We could continue. We should reverse, but we could continue. In terms of momentum, nice momentum, stochastic at 72. This is all good. QQQ. Boom. Bingo. We have it here. So we just broke horizontal resistance 613.27. 613.27 right here. Broke above. Stochastic almost there, 59.59. So momentum is building up, S&P is having momentum. QQQ close. Nasdaq very close too. So Nasdaq, let's look at this. Cannot make this up. Cannot make this up again. Right smack on our line. There are no random moves in the market. So right smack at 25.222. Or 25.236, that's $14 difference. That's pretty good. Okay, so that's good. Russell also, look at this. Everything is breaking new ground, so it's hard to be against that. And stochastic is good on the daily chart. So very nice day for the market as a whole. We can take a look at the heat map. There's a Black Friday special for this. You can take a look at my TradingView affiliate link in my description. You can click there, and this is a nice part. You can save a lot. You can save a lot on a subscription for TradingView, so it's really worth it to buy. I like to buy all of my subscriptions during Black Friday. So, and I get the full year. So you get a big discount. So it's really worth it, not only for TradingView, but pretty much everything else. So in terms of the heat map of the market, Google not doing too good, but it did extremely good this week so far. So a little bit of a pullback is nothing. So yeah, mainly green. Look at this, lots of green. Health technology is a little bit down. Tesla's doing great. We have a little bit of technology services, Adobe, CRM, Intuit, and all of these. Doing a little bit less good, but most of the stocks are doing pretty good. Let's take a look at gold and silver now. Gold and silver, bingo. Gold was having a little bit of a hard time breaking 31.32 right here. 31.32. Four touches. 4 touches. Boom, we broke above. We had the downward resistance. We stayed one day underneath it, and now we are continuing. So we love this. Stochastic at 85. So yeah, let's sail. Let's set sails. This silver downward resistance like this, we stopped there. So silver is doing pretty good also. Same kind of pattern. It was going sideways, not doing much. Then boom. And now it's continuing. Now we have this downward resistance a little bit that is bugging us, but after that, we should go at least, if we break this, of course, 18, 17 for PSLV, physical Sprott Physical Silver Trust, and then we should be continuing into the bullish channel right here. So this is nice. Bitcoin. Okay, so Bitcoin. It looked like we were reaching a support. Look at this. Support, 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 support. Went a little bit further down. Sometimes it happens, you know, just to bug us. It just goes down a little bit. Now, boom, it recovered. It recovered quickly. Could not break above 88,921. 88,921. Boom, we have the break above today. So we don't have momentum yet. Our technical indicators don't indicate momentum, but we are making progress. So I'm going to say it like this. So yeah, and let me say something about this. So just like we did here, we went down to support. This was support at some point. Support held, and then we made a little bit of a top right here, and then we started to break that top. So this is not unlike what we have here, you know, higher lows, a little bit of a top, and we broke that top. We had no technical indicators telling us that momentum was here. No momentum, and it caved in. So this could be happening again. So don't think that Bitcoin is out of the woods yet. It's not out of the woods. It's progressing nicely. This is the downward channel. It could go up to, you know, 98,000 very easily without too much pain. At that point, it could reverse also. It could go there fast, it could go there slow and very slow. It could never go there, blah, blah, blah. So I just don't want to sell something I don't have, you know. We need to, you know, what is hard in the stock market is to keep our cool. It's hard to keep our cool because when we see a nice green candle, it's really, how can I say it? It's really enticing to just, oh, wow, Bitcoin is back. Well, no, it's not back yet. It's doing good. It's starting to prove itself. That close above 88,921 that we just had today is a nice proof that it's doing better. It's kind of breaking some resistance, some new frontier. So yeah, so we can appreciate this, but we don't. But let's not conclude that we are out of the woods yet. Let's take a look at the 1 hour chart. So on the 1 hour chart, you know, we were watching 87,000. This one right here could not break above. Then boom, we broke above, and we stayed above. We stayed above, but we could not break 88,921 right here. So we stayed above. This is since Sunday. We have been going sideways. And then now today, boom. On the 1 hour chart, we are continuing. So, you know, this is progress. You know, this is the first level. Second level happened. And now we are starting the third level. So it's not going fast. It's going slow. We have momentum, you know. This has created momentum. At some point, we have lost the momentum. We lost the momentum right here. We lost it here. But even if we lose momentum, if we hold support, we should be okay. We like momentum when we have a break. But if we lose it after the break, while we are above, it's still okay. So yeah, Bitcoin, it's hard to be against this. So let's just keep our profit because we are in profit here. So let's keep it. You can sell it if you want, but I want to keep it. Ethereum, yeah, let me go on the 1 hour chart. So the same thing pretty much happened, the same pattern. 28.58 right here. We had the break, we are staying above. Yeah, I did not do that horizontal line right here. So if we have a horizontal line right here, This was a resistance at 29.84. We stayed below. Now, boom, we are going above. Now it's 3,058, you know. This is working in steps. So nothing to complain about Ethereum. It could go fast. It could go higher faster, but you know, if you want to complain about somebody, this is a nice trick. If you want to complain about somebody, you can always say, well, you should have done this faster. Even if they did everything, it could have been faster. So if you want to complain, you can always complain that something was not fast enough. So that's if you look at, if you are using dark glasses, if you are looking through some negative lens, you can always find ways to complain. It was not fast enough. Oh, you had a great idea, but you should have thought about it earlier. Well, there is no way to win against you, my friend. So nothing to complain. Ethereum is all good. Let's take a look at BMNR last. BMNR. So BMNR, look at this. Pretty much the same pattern. You know, it's behaving a little bit differently than Ethereum. So when was that? So on Monday, we broke 2965. Lost it yesterday. And now we are regaining it. So this is on the daily chart. No momentum yet on the daily. But on the 1 hour chart, you know, this is a nice trade. This is where we are right now. Small bullish channel on the 1 hour chart. So everything's good. Cannot complain. So great. So I'm gonna let you guys start preparing your Thanksgiving. So happy Thanksgiving to all of you. The stock market is closed tomorrow, so tomorrow is going to be a day off for me, and we are going to talk on Friday. So don't forget, there's a Discord server you can join by joining the YouTube channel. You join the YouTube channel at the private Discord level. This is going to give you the access to our private Discord server where we are looking at all of the other stocks on the daily chart. Tesla on the 1 hour, all of the other stocks on the daily chart. So you have plenty of buying opportunities. You know, we called 5 or 6 buying opportunities today. So don't miss out. We have been in profit all week, so don't miss out. So you can check that out, and also I have a new the new level, the TradingView link. You know, if you want to copy my lines, you can get those lines on your own TradingView account. So you become a member at the copy Pierre's Trendline level, and then you get a copy of all of this. And you know, you get 50 charts with updated lines daily. So you get a lot of value, my friends. You get a lot of value, and of course you get this free when you go to the Discord level. But this is also available at the specific YouTube member level, the copy Pierre's Trendlines. So this is a lot of value because you can see which stock are into an uptrend, downtrend, and then you can decide what you want to do, you know, uptrend, downtrend. And also especially for people, I should talk more about this, but for people that are selling covered calls, you need these lines. In order to decide, well, okay, this is where I'm going to sell my covered calls right here, and my puts, I'm going to sell them here, or maybe right here. So, you know, this is a nice guide to help you decide the strike price here and the expiry date here. So very, very, very useful. So thank you very much again. I'm going to wish you a happy Thanksgiving. We are going to talk on Friday, and I'm gonna tell you à la prochaine si Dieu le veut.